Hello, I am Sheriff Craig Goins, and I have some exciting news for you today. I am so excited to bring to you all our first ever Citizens Academy. That's right, our first ever. You have an opportunity to come see the Sheriff's Office inner workings, so you know how we do business and how we serve the citizens of Cobb County with excellence. So please join me in attending this academy, a 5-week long academy. We get a lot of stuff done in 5 weeks, but it's such a great time, a great experience, and now you understand how we do work for you. Come join us. Please follow the information below. I forgot to tell you, it is 5 weeks. However, it is on one Thursday evening for each one of the 5 weeks. Time that will be well invested into your sheriff's office. Come see us. Looking forward to seeing you.